What if the person you love has been speaking a different language all along? A journey to understanding begins.
Do you even see me anymore?
I've been trying.
Not in the way I need.
What if love isn't the problem? Sometimes people speak different languages, even when they love each other.
You remembered.
Love changes when you learn to speak the right language.